Hi, I'm Katie Halcrow with Power Up Prep, and I'm super excited today to take you through some tips and strategies to help you power up your ACT. If this is your first time with us, first, welcome. Second, check out the link below. There, you're going to find the ACT questions and the note sheets that you can do along with these videos. All right, so let's get those materials together, and we're going to be ready to power up. Okay, so we've just been through some content questions and specific types of content questions, but now we're going to turn back to grammar, specifically commas, because the test loves to test commas. It really loves comma hooks, but it likes other things with commas too. So I'm going to teach you some tricks to help you get these comma questions right. The first one is to hold up your right hand in the rock on position, just like this. Okay. So this is how you know whether or not you need a comma if you have a phrase in a full sentence. Let's say we have the sentence, when I go to the store, I buy bananas. When I go to the store is my phrase, and I buy bananas is my full sentence. When I have my phrase before my full sentence, I need a comma in between them. So when I go to the store, comma, I buy bananas. But look what happens when we flip them. When it becomes, I buy bananas when I go to the store. I buy bananas when I go to the store, so my full sentence comes first, and then I have my phrase. But there's no comma, because when I'm saying it, I'm not pausing. So, I buy bananas when I go to the store. I buy bananas when I go to the store. Full sentence, no pausing, but when I go to the store, I buy bananas. So I still have a full sentence, but I have a phrase before my full sentence, so I need the comma in between them. All right? Got it? Okay, good. So there's just one other thing that I want to talk about with this, and that is to make sure that you don't have two full sentences between a comma. Especially if there's a test question where there's a comma that's not underlined, so it's not part of an answer choice you can choose, but there's a comma in the sentence. Make sure, double check that when you're choosing your answer choice, you're not choosing an answer that gives you a full sentence, comma, full sentence. That's called a comma splice, and that's going to be a problem. Because you have to have a comma and a fanboy if you're bringing two full sentences together, because a comma isn't strong enough by itself. So rocking on with commas is important, right? We need phrase, comma, full sentence. If the phrase comes first, we need that comma, but we don't need a comma if we have full sentence phrase. But if we have two full sentences, a comma between them is not strong enough, so watch out for the comma splice. Watch out for that comma that's separating two full sentences. All right, let's go on to the next one. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them below. We love to hear from you. Also, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of our curriculum or other tips and tricks that can help you power up your ACT.